Welcome to another video with V-La-Nessa. I am V-La-Nessa.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video with V-La-Nessa. Now this video is about journeying to Rio Negril, and I'm going to show you the places I've stopped, such as Risk Cafe. And this weekend is all about celebrating my friend Chrissy, as you've seen her in the pre-intro. Now this is just part one of our celebration, so if you want to see more, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on the post notifications. So whenever I release the other videos, you will be the first to know. Guys, I tell you, it was an amazing weekend. So subscribe and follow along with us. Okay, so we're going for some corn right now. Custom made pot, that you know? Is a pot big, a big man?
Porridge that? What kind of porridge? Oh Jesus, pay a cup.
You say nobody wants to corn?
Nobody wants to corn. Give me one corn and one kilo porridge. No?
Wait.
How much that?
Yeah, buy the corn? Morning.
When last eat corn? Did they just come off?
If me eat corn, I always buy corn from the cup, but that's soft. What a pretty body. Yeah, record video.
What's the name? It's a record.
What a nice tune. I feel like more, but
Go on now. Yeah, I've closed my car.
what a nice.
Now come back when we can talk off.
You can't swim that way.
Yeah.
Can't swim, you can't swim, you can't swim. You don't know that word, you just can't swim. Body too heavy.
You can swim but you can't float.
No matter how many.
My body heavier than yours and me can float too, yeah, so.
Because, you know, you normally, you know, the floater when them blow, you notice them blow big. Yes.
Take this as near me. Sure.
You know. Look at the price, 15 US dollars for one. What is that called again? This nice, the view here nice, Shay. It's nice though. Imagine waking up every morning to this. To Rick's Cafe. Turn, I can't take it your way. Come on, just stop here. I'm gonna... Temperature check. you know, welcome cocktail. This is the life, you know, welcome to Rio, the life. Yeah, me want to.
You want more?
More rum, yeah.
You want more rum than that? Or you want more juice?
Yeah, you just know some I want this.
You want more juice?
You know what? No, because my phone my belly.
So you want to taste more rum?
Yes, taste more rum.
Yeah, lunchtime. You want more rum? No, I'm not sure.
This is the angle. Look at the view.
And then shit.
Pineapple planting.
Me never get a pineapple.
No, a little tight.
So I call them again, I never get any pineapple.
And stick. And then we get a stick.
Are you ever
Thank you.
Oh, we get stick and we get top up, but we never get that niceness.
Oh, next door to each other?
Duration of your stay, don't lose them. Losing them will be a charge of 100 US. Only if you lose them. Again, it's simple. You know, lose them, you don't get charged.
We won't lose
We
them.
can't talk one cheap one.
Oh, you better put me on 100.
Alright, so but if it is damaged or broken, you can return it and we'll give you a new one. Alright? Just don't lose them.
But if it lost, we can't say, you put it on wrong.
Huh?
We can't
You can say it.
Wait.
So yeah, so your rules are ready.
Yeah, man.
And both rules are complimentary upgrades to Trinity Ocean.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Since you're early.
You see, if
This one 39, don't
no, you just go feed same way.
you feel same way, so?
Yeah, them not in trouble, yeah. Them already agree free food and the next day I take it. Just coming on in the suitcase there a long time where I get first preference. When the blessing of God is on you.
Tell you all the time. That you're rolling with.
Celebrity, thanks. I know.